In 1931, China faced one of the deadliest natural disasters in history, the floods. Heavy rainfall caused the Yangtze River to overflow, devastating entire communities. Millions were displaced, and countless lives were lost in the chaos. The floods submerged cities, turning homes into islands. Rescue efforts were hampered by the sheer scale of the disaster. Survivors faced famine and disease in the aftermath. This tragedy reshaped China's approach to flood management. It's a stark reminder of nature's power and our vulnerability.